Hello, I'm an AI avatar brought to life with the power of generative AI. Stick around, I'll hand it over to the real host in just a second.
It's day 7, and today we are diving deeper into generative AI, how it really works, and more. Let's explore how it's transforming the world and where it fits in the larger AI picture. So let's get started. Generative artificial intelligence is a specialized subset of AI focused on creating new original content rather than just analyzing or classifying existing data. It uses machine learning models trained on massive data sets to learn the patterns, structure, and relationships within that data. Once trained, it can generate novel outputs that resemble but are not identical to the training material. What can GenAI really create? GenAI is highly versatile, often producing data in response to a simple text prompt. So, text can be stories, articles, poems, summaries, emails, essays, and software code with models like Gemini and ChatGPT. It can also create images and videos, realistic pictures, original artwork, and video clips from text descriptions with DALL-E and Midjourney. Audio and music, original musical compositions, and realistic synthesized speech. Also, it can create synthetic data for training other AI models or simulations. So, how does it work? The core of GenAI relies on sophisticated machine learning models, often large language models for text, built using deep learning and neural networks. Training. The model is fed a huge diverse data set, example billions of text documents, and it analyzes this data to understand underlying patterns. The learning structure. It builds a compressed multi-dimensional map of its data called a latent space where similar concepts are grouped. When you give it a prompt, the model uses its learned patterns and knowledge from the latent space to predict what word, pixel, or sound should come next to fulfill your request, producing a completely new and coherent output. Now let's talk about the core types of generative AI models. Number one is transformers. So they generate very coherent text, summaries, and code, example Gemini and ChatGPT, and they use self-attention to figure out how every word relates to every other word in a sentence, which helps them perfectly maintain context over long passages. Also, generative adversarial networks, which is GAN or GANs. They create incredibly realistic images, audio, and video, often used for deepfakes. We all know about that. Diffusion models are used for high quality art. What they do is they produce state of the art, high resolution images and artwork. Stable diffusion or DALL-E 2 is an example. So let's dive into a Venn diagram where we understand how the AI, different types of AI overlap each other. This diagram organizes different types of AI by their main purpose, prediction, creation, and action, showing how they combine to form more advanced systems. The most powerful outcomes happen where these functions blend. Intelligent decision support, which can be done with predictive and agentic AI, where AI predicts the problem. Suppose a machine is falling, and agentic AI will immediately act on it and create a maintenance. Data simulation, predictive plus generative AI. Generative AI creates realistic synthetic data to train a predictive model. Creative problem solving with generative plus agentic AI. An agentic AI, while working on a goal, uses generative AI to create necessary content, example, automatically drafts and sends a personalized email. Comprehensive AI systems, or the center, the most sophisticated AI systems do all three: reason, predict, and create, along with acting. Generative AI is rapidly transforming various industries by focusing on the creation of novel content. So it helps in content and creativity by drafting articles, designing marketing copies, and generating images, videos, and music. Software testing. GenAI models learn from code and requirements to generate new test sets, accelerating QA. Also, for example, AI testing tools like KNAI by Lambda Test that revolutionize test automation by seamlessly integrating with your workflows, enhancing productivity, and improving test coverage with intelligent insights. Healthcare. GenAI accelerates drug discovery, and for business, it enables hyper-personalization of customer experience. For cybersecurity, GenAI strengthens systems by generating complex simulation patterns for stress testing. Evidently, GenAI is transforming industries across the globe. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to this channel for more content around AI that is changing the world. Join me tomorrow for a video around chatbots and their evolution. See you then.